Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here this factors chapter in your math second. See this new chapter, factors. See one example. 21 divided 3. 21 divided 3. When we divide here 21 by 3, you divide here 3 divided by this 21. 3 7s are 21. Then we divide here 21 by 3. Then the remainder is here 0. This means 3 divide exactly to 21. 3 divides here exactly 21, means so 3 is a factor of this 21. So 3 is a factor of 21. Here 3 divides exactly to 21, remainder is 0, therefore 3 is a factor of this 21. Again one example, see 25 divided 3. 25 divided 3. Then you 3 divided by this number 25. 3 8 ja 24. Here remainder 1. When we divide this 25, by 3, the remainder is here 0. No, remainder is not 0. This means 3 does not divide here exactly 25. 3 does not divide here exactly 25. Therefore, so 3 is not a factor of this 25. This 3 exactly not divide here. Remainder is here, see 1. Therefore, it is not exactly divide to this 25. So, 3 is not factor of this 25. Then you write here answer below. So, 3 is a not factor of this 25 number. When one number divides another number exactly, the first number is called a factor of the second number. This first number is called this factor of this second number. But exactly divides, when one number is exactly divides to this another number, then first number is called, it is a factor of the second number. Here see 3 is a factor of this 21. Here exactly divide, here not exactly divide, here 1 is remainder, therefore 3 is not a factor of this 25. Again one example, see is 4 a factor of 28? Question, is 4 a factor of 28? 4 a factor of this 28. Then here 4 divided by this 28. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28. Here this we divide here 28 by 4, then this 4 exactly divisible by this number 28. 4 7 ja 28, and here remainder also 0. So 4 is a factor of number is 28. Fourth number is 5 a factor of 18? 5 a factor of this 18 number. Divide 18 by 5. 5 3 ja 15, 0, remainder 3, 5 does not divide here exactly to 18. 5 does not divide here exactly 18. Remainder is here 3. So 5 is not a factor of 18. 5 is not a factor of 18. You write here detailed information in this type. C. Divide firstly 18 by 5. Divide 18 by 5. Then you write here 5 does not divide exactly which number here? 18. So then below write, so 5 is not a factor of this number 18. 5 does not exactly divide this 18, therefore 5 is not a factor of this 18. Again one see example. Is 6 a factor of 42? 6 a factor of this 42. Then 6 divided by this 42. You write here divide 42 by 6. Divide 42 by 6. Then you write here 6 7 ja 42. Remainder here 0. Means here 6 divides 42 exactly. 6 divides 42 exactly. Remainder 0. So 6 is a factor of this number 42. This 6 exactly divide to this number 42. 6 7 ja 42. Therefore 6 is a factor of this number 42. Then here again some examples. In homework you complete this, and in this type information all these you write here in front of these numbers. 7th one, homework. All these 6 examples, and again this homework you solve this. Is 8 a factor of 33? You write this answer. Is a factor of 8 a factor of 33? Is 9 a factor of 54? 9 a factor of this 54? 9. Is 7 a factor of 35? 7 a factor of 35. Then 10th one is 6 a factor of 50. Is 8 a factor of 33? 8 4 ja 32, but here remainder 1, means 8 exactly not divide this number 33, so 8 is a not factor of 33. 9, this number 9 divided by this number 54, 9 6 ja 54, means this 9 exactly divided by this number 54, so 9 is a factor of this number 54. Then is 7 a factor of 35? 7 5 ja 35. this exactly 7 is exactly divided by this number 35. So 7 is a factor of this number 35. Last one, 6 a factor of 50. 6 8 48. Here reminder 2. 6 not exactly divided by this number 50. So 50. So 6 is not a factor of this number 50. You don't write directly answer in this type solution, right? And in homework you complete this. Okay.